Welcome to your private country retreat in Clymer. Welcome to your private country retreat in the rolling hills of Clymer. This beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home sits on 5 scenic acres with breathtaking panoramic views of farmland, peak resort, and spectacular sunsets. The inviting exterior features a covered front porch, mature landscaping, and exceptional curb appeal. Inside, you'll find gleaming hardwood floors, an open concept layout, and abundant natural light. The gourmet kitchen offers custom cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and a large center island. The spacious living room features vaulted ceilings, a fireplace, and expansive windows overlooking the countryside. A formal dining room with elegant wainscoting provides the perfect space for entertaining. The main floor primary suite includes 2 walk-in closets and a luxurious bath with a dual granite vanity, soaking tub, walk-in shower, and heated floor. 3 additional bedrooms offer generous space and storage. The full basement provides excellent potential for additional finished living space. It features a precast foundation that has already been insulated, along with pre-drilled holes designed to make finishing the basement easier. This gives the next owner a great head start on creating additional living areas, a recreation room, home gym, office, or whatever space best suits their needs. Outdoor amenities include an in-ground saltwater pool, hot tub, fire pit area, and wooded acreage offering privacy and plenty of room for recreation. Additional features include geothermal heating and cooling with 8 wells, a central vacuum system, and an attached garage. Conveniently located near Peak Resort and Findlay Lake, this exceptional property combines modern comfort, impressive amenities, and peaceful country living. With its stunning views, spacious acreage,